magic and what makes this thing so awesome is that any objection you have to online chat is overcome with this incredibly robust configuration wizard. So we have starter packs to help you get the chat tool configured based on your practice area. But the real magic of CounselAI is the ability to tweak this thing specifically to how your firm operates, the questions you want to ask, the way you want to qualify your prospects, and so much more. Of course, there's configuration options for how it appears, from the way that you have your avatar to the firm logo, to the colors, to the fonts. But some more things you got to know about CounselAI. First, this is not just a hookup into ChatGPT and it answers questions and then asks for name and info. It is configured based on the context on your site. So as you have all of your landing pages, all of your practice area pages, all of your blog posts, all that information that you serve up to folks, hoping to grab them from search engines, that is the rich context that is then used to serve answers to folks as they're chatting with the tool. You can configure what context, check the boxes. What am I going to use as context to present to clients? Nothing outside of that is going to be shown. Legal advice is never given. The whole thing is configured, tailored, prompted to ensure we're trying to give as much information to be helpful to the prospect while trying to convince them they've come to the right place. This attorney in this firm knows exactly what they're talking about, definitely has relevant expertise to my issues, and then get contact information, schedule the appointment. You can even configure certain questions that you need to have answered to help qualify a customer given the type of information they're giving you. So if they come to you with a business law contract dispute, you can ask specific questions, and they don't need to ask it, they don't need to select contract dispute. If it deduces that that is what they're chatting about, it's going to intelligently know, oh, I need to go through this decision tree and ask these particular questions to help qualify. Additionally, all of this information flows into your practice management system.